Want to buy Avalanche quickly and at a favorable rate? On Quickex, you only need a wallet address to exchange. 5 easy steps to buy Avalanche. Open Quickex and select a currency pair to exchange for Avalanche. Specify the exchange amount. The calculator will instantly show the total amount on AVAX coins. Enter your AVAX wallet address to receive the funds. Check the details and confirm the exchange. Send funds to the address provided within the application period. Important: each transaction uses a unique address for maximum security. Benefits of exchanging on Quickex: over 900 cryptocurrencies are available for instant exchange. Funds go directly to the wallet without intermediate storage. Competitive courses from leading liquidity providers. Exchange without registering and providing sensitive data. Use Quickex to buy Avalanche quickly and securely today.